Gruden sued the NFL in October 2021 after leaked emails led to his abrupt resignation as head coach of the Raiders. The NFL's two-year quest to shift former Las Vegas Raiders coach John Gruden's lawsuit to arbitration came to a pivotal point on Wednesday. In a hearing in front of a three-judge panel of the Nevada Supreme Court that spanned about a half hour, outside league attorney Canon Shanmugam argued that Gruden's legal arguments lack merit, and that the civil case should be compelled to the league's arbitration process overseen by NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell. Gruden's lawyer, Adam Hosmer-Henner, countered that Gruden's 10-year, $100 million contract lacked a valid and enforceable language that prevented Gruden's lawsuit from moving forward. To this point, the NFL had lost both its bids to either get Gruden's lawsuit dismissed or moved into the league's arbitration system, which, unlike the courts, is shrouded in secrecy and forbids parties from discussing the proceedings. District Court Judge Nancy Elf denied the NFL's arbitration motion on October 17, 2022. The NFL signaled it would appeal a day later, and the case had stagnated before Wednesday's hearing. It's expected to take several weeks for Justices Alyssa F. Kaddish, Christina Pickering, and Linda M. Bell to reach a verdict on the NFL's appeal. This is one of those rare arguments where I'm not sure who's going to come away as the victor, sports law attorney Daniel Wallach told Front Office Sports. The justices peppered both sides with questions on some legitimate vulnerabilities in each side's arguments. Gruden, who attended the hearing, sued the NFL in October 2021, days after he resigned as head coach of the Raiders after the racist, misogynistic, and homophobic emails became public. Gruden alleged that the NFL was the source of the emails from the account of then Washington Commanders executive Bruce Allen, correspondence gathered by the league's first outside investigation into numerous allegations of a toxic workplace that existed within the team. Former Raiders coach John Gruden brings unsubstantiated claims against the NFL and its commissioner, claiming that they are somehow responsible for his resignation after the publication of emails that he wrote and broadly circulated, emails that are too vile to read out in open court, Shanmugam said during the hearing. When Gruden entered into his contract with the Raiders, the richest coaching contract in NFL history, he agreed to two broad arbitration provisions that cover all disputes arising out of his employment agreement or involving conduct detrimental to the league. The fallout once the cache of emails was published led to Gruden's resignation and restarted inquiries into the Commanders and owner Dan Snyder. The NFL launched a second probe, and Congress and others began investigating Snyder, threatening his grasp of the franchise before he agreed to sell it for a record $6.05 billion last year.